Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0615 specifically refers to a malfunction in the starter cut relay diagnosis circuit located within the Honda Civic models from 2022 onward. In this context, the term starter cut relay pertains to a critical relay that prevents the engine from starting if certain conditions are not met. When the PCM, or powertrain control module, detects an anomaly in the input voltage of the starter cut relay circuit, it stores this trouble code. This failure could indicate problems in various components associated with the relay circuit. As part of the vehicle's safety and operational integrity, this relay helps protect the engine from unauthorized starts. If the ignition is on and the voltage does not align with expected parameters, the system perceives a malfunction, triggering DTC P0615. The P0615 DTC indicates an issue specifically within the starter cut relay diagnosis circuit, a critical component in the vehicle's starting system. The PCM, which stands for Powertrain Control Module, has the crucial role of monitoring input voltage levels from this relay. When the ignition is active, the PCM checks if the voltage aligns with predefined ranges. If the voltage is abnormal, this indicates a potential failure in the system, leading to the PCM storing DTC P0615. The starter cut relay is specifically designed to prevent engine starting under unsafe conditions, ensuring that only valid starts occur. Its location is integral, as it connects various components, including the relay circuit board and the PCM, necessitating precise voltage monitoring for safe operation. Several potential causes can lead to the triggering of DTC P0615. First, a faulty relay circuit board may impede correct voltage flow, affecting the relay's operation. Second, an open circuit in the wiring, which can often be caused by damaged or frayed wires, prevents proper signal transmission between the PCM and the relay board. Third, issues with the PCM itself can lead to erroneous readings or failed operations, prompting the error code. Additionally, any problems in the voltage supply chain, especially along the IG1 starter cut circuit, could result in lower voltage levels being reported. Incorrect connections, whether at terminals or throughout the circuit, can also manifest as anomalies in the system, triggering this diagnostic trouble code. The manifestation of DTC P0615 is associated with a series of symptoms that generally indicate a starting system issue. One of the most prominent symptoms is the engine failing to start, as the starter cut relay fails to operate correctly. Additionally, you might notice dashboard warning lights illuminating, signaling potential errors in the vehicle's systems. Unusual electrical behavior, such as flickering lights or erratic operational patterns, can further indicate an underlying issue with the electrical circuit related to the starter cut relay. You may also hear intermittent clicking from the relay, especially if it is trying to engage but failing due to underlying connectivity issues. Furthermore, if you have access to a diagnostic tool, the PCM may register specific error codes, including DTC P0615, pointing toward a systematic problem requiring further investigation. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0615 involves attempting to start the engine. This initial action allows you to observe for any abnormalities in the ignition sequence, which could indicate problems related to the starter cut relay. If the engine fails to start, this typically confirms the issue indicated by the stored DTC, which is crucial for guiding the next steps. During this process, verifying that the ignition is indeed in the on state is essential, as any discrepancies could indicate a broader electrical failure. This initial confirmation not only sets the groundwork for further inspections, but also helps in isolating whether the issue is confined to the starter cut relay or if it involves the PCM or wiring. It's vital to have the necessary tools ready for subsequent inspection once this foundational step is completed. For the second troubleshooting step concerning DTC P0615, you will need to disconnect relay circuit board connector B, which is typically a 12-pin connector. After disconnection, proceed with the circuit inspection under IG mode, ensuring that the ignition is in the on position. The primary check during this step is to assess whether the voltage in the IG1 starter cut circuitry aligns with the expected 12 volts. Deviations from this voltage indicate potential problems within the wiring or connectors associated with the relay system. It's imperative to evaluate the integrity of the wiring. Frayed or broken wires can lead to significant functional issues. Accurately identifying any circuit anomalies at this stage will provide key insights into the next steps needed for repair, whether it be further wiring examination or moving on to inspecting the PCM. The third step of troubleshooting DTC P0615 involves disconnecting the PCM connector A, which generally consists of 50 pins. This step is vital to conduct a thorough inspection without the interference of the PCM itself. Prior to disconnection, it is recommended to jump the SCS line with the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to establish a controlled data state. Following this, you will perform an open wire inspection of the STRLY1 to 2 circuit, ensuring that the system is off during the assessment. The expected value here is less than 1 ohm, indicating minimal resistance within the circuit. Values exceeding this threshold signify connectivity issues that could be causing the malfunction. Identifying such problems in this open wire inspection is crucial for determining if repairs or replacements are necessary in either the relay circuit or connections within the PCM. The final troubleshooting step for DTC P0615 focuses on inspecting the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM. If previous inspections pointed out normal conditions in relay circuits and wiring, it's reasonable to suspect that the PCM may be the source of the problem. The PCM is the brain of the vehicle systems, and its failure can result in numerous operational hiccups. Conduct a detailed inspection focused on the PCM's functionality, ensuring that inputs and outputs are working as intended. Look for any internal faults that may not be immediately apparent but could influence performance. If no external issues are found and anomalies persist within the PCM's operation, a replacement may be necessary to restore functionality. Addressing the PCM carefully ensures that all other systems can function correctly without the interference of failure codes. Following the completion of all troubleshooting steps associated with DTC P0615, the next crucial phase is final repair verification. This verification starts with clearing any previously stored DTCs using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, an essential process to reset the vehicle's diagnostic parameters. With DTCs cleared, attempt to start the engine once more, which allows you to observe the performance post-repair. Monitoring the vehicle during this phase is critical. Should the errors return or any new codes appear, further investigation may still be needed. Successful repair confirmation would manifest as the engine starting without issue and no recurrence of the DTC. This step is vital to ensuring that all prior repairs were effective and that the vehicle is now operating correctly without any lingering issues related to the starter cut relay circuit. Preventive maintenance is a fundamental strategy for avoiding future DTC P0615 issues. Regular inspections of wiring and connections related to the starter cut relay will help detect problems before they escalate into failure. Routine assessments of relay connections can ensure they remain secure and free of corrosion, which is essential for reliable operation. Periodic testing of the PCM and its associated functions can uncover potential anomalies early on, allowing for timely intervention. Maintaining cleanliness of electrical connectors is crucial in preventing shorts or faults caused by debris or oxidation. Lastly, always use high-quality parts for any repairs. Inferior components can lead to ongoing issues throughout the vehicle's systems. By adhering to these preventive measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of encountering similar DTCs in the future. In summary, DTC P0615 signals a malfunction within the starter cut relay diagnosis circuit and necessitates comprehensive troubleshooting. It highlights the importance of conducting thorough inspections, especially regarding the relay circuit board, wiring, and the PCM. Should tests indicate no issues with these components, the PCM may be deemed the culprit and need replacement for effective vehicle operation. Remember, once repairs have been made, clearing any diagnostic trouble codes with the HDS is critical to ensure that the system can accurately monitor the repaired conditions. Additionally, implementing preventive measures can go a long way in safeguarding against future relays or PCM-related failures. By keeping up with regular maintenance and inspections, vehicle owners can enjoy reliable performance from their Honda Civic models 2022 and beyond. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.